Good afternoon. Welcome to the bid opening for the Satellite Concourse 1 project. Bid Package 5 for Trade Package 16, Satellite 1 Electrical. Bid Package 6 for the following trade packages. Trade Package 22, Satellite 1 Elevators and Escalators. Trade Package 23, Satellite 1 Roofing. Trade Package 24, Satellite 1 Facade Maintenance. My name is Jocelyn Lim, representing AHCB Hunt Clyco BOA. It is now 2 o'clock, the deadline for bid submittal. The bidder must bid all bid form line items on the bid proposal page, except to the extent the specifications allow otherwise. Scope review meetings will be held to determine the completeness, accuracy, and compliance to all the terms and conditions of the specification. Bids received past the bid deadline or from non-pre-qualified bidders will be deemed non-responsive. Let's begin. Bid Package 5, Trade Package 16, Satellite 1, Electrical. Bidder is Gertz Electric. Bidder is Connolly Electric. Bidder is MJ Electric LLC. Bidder is Marin Electric Company. Bid Package 6, Trade Package 22, Satellite 1, Elevators, Escalators. Bidder is Otis Elevator Company. Bidder is Schindler Elevator Corporation. For Bid Package 6, Trade Package 23, Satellite 1, Roofing. Bidder is L. Marshall Roofing. Bidder is Metal Master Roof Master, Inc. Bidder is Bennett and Brosso Roofing, Inc. Bidder is A1 Roofing Company. For Bid Package 6, Trade Package 24, Satellite 1, Facade Maintenance. Bidder is Facade Access NAM. Bidder is Pro Bell USA, Inc. All bidders will be notified of the final outcome of the bids by AHCB Hunt Clyco BOA upon the completion of scope review meetings. This concludes today's bid opening for the Satellite Concourse 1 project. For Bid Package 5, Trade Package 16, and Bid Package 6, Trade Packages 22, 23, and 24. Thank you for participating.